Okay.
Ayan, at least sabay-sabay tayo
Oo
ngayon.
nga. Bang. May connection
Episode.
na. We're back at episode
9.
9 here at
SM.
Here at
Balls Deep.
Balls Deep Podcast. Nandito pa kami sa Cash Cafe, Coffee and Cocktails. Yes, sir. And we're still here with James Wong and Eldin Lau.
Yeah.
Christian
Yeah,
lang.
Christian, sorry. Eldin
And-
talaga.
Kanina pa
Magkaka ng mga taong first name, Christian.
Mas maikli kasi Eldin, kaya parang mas okay siya sabihin for me.
And our sit-in guest
Sit-in guest.
Ayun.
Ang aming AI.
AI natin.
He's not really there. He's not really there.
Tatanungin natin mamaya kung meron pa siya doon, real human emotions.
Ooh.
O sige, tanungin na natin si ChatGPT.
Yes.
Oo. So bakit walang record si Christian Lau ng mga pinanalo niyang bata?
Tama, confrontation to ngayon. Harapan, face to face.
Meron.
I love the answer. Wala ba?
Diba? Yung sagot ng mga taong wala talaga.
First instinct, deny.
Tama.
Or parang let you doubt.
Tayo ay nasa
Tama
first,
ba? Wala ba?
tayo ay nasa first stage ng grief denial.
Denial.
At least yung AI natin, inamin niya, hindi niya alam.
Tama.
Yung parang 15 to smoke. To be fair, akala ko ni-record siya ni Bea.
Mm.
Well, ni-record siya ni Bea, pero
fair.
To be fair,
To be fair.
deflection.
Deflection.
Okay, Grok. Okay.
So yan, so today actually, i-continue natin yung last topic, which is actually dance classes, education in dance, and how it actually has been here sa Philippines kasi, of course, our guests have been also here for quite a while na rin.
You were also there. You also been there for quite a while.
Oo nga. Okay.
Some people would disagree.
So, ano yung, dami nating laughing parts lang. Feeling ko may ma-edit si Titus sa puro laughing parts lang. Tapos yung buong reel yun
Actually,
lang.
magandang reel nga yun.
Diba? Puro laughing lang.
Wala na, paplanuhin na ngayon, hindi na siya organic.
So yung yung last episode kasi pinag-usapan yung rise of the TikTok, the use of technology in classes and whatnot. What has been yung parang major changes throughout the years since we and you guys have when you started taking classes and when you started teaching classes, or not just classes, just teaching in general. So this is we would say early 2000s to
Wow.
present.
20 years.
Wow.
2 decades.
Sperm cell pa lang siya.
2 decades.
Ay, di na.
Bata na.
Bata, nabungo na siya.
This is
25 na eh.
2000s, 25 na eh. And if ever you guys also were able to take classes during the 90s, mga ganun.
Aray ko.
So, I mean,
Science classes. Science, spelling classes.
90s.
Arts.
Oh. So, yeah, any
observation?
changes throughout the years.
Changes.
Like sige, nung 2000s, nung medyo, kasi boom of ano yan eh, street dance, the resurgence, the renaissance.
Ako, 2006, 2007 na ako lumabas.
Ganda naman.
Lumabas meaning sa community.
Nang bahay. Dati kasi before that,
Nag-out.
taong bahay na talaga ako.
Kulong lang ako sa bahay dati.
Oo eh. Ayun. So yes.
Yung 2000s.
That's the answer. Yes.
Yes! Kamusta yung yung climate?
Yeah.
Climate yung
Sa
2000s.
observation, it was there.
It was there.
It was
Okay
good.
naman. Okay naman.
Ano ba?
Ano ba? Oh, wala.
Yun.
Wala nagbago. Same lang.
Hindi, nung
So, quick
go,
answer.
go.
Right now, yung parang trend is we're seeing the classes are more community-based. And there are a lot of communities making up the students versus just random students coming in.
And,
yeah.
yeah, and then I think even the studios parang mas ginagawa ng community.
Exactly,
Like,
yeah.
floors,
Right,
unfold,
Yeah,
mga
yeah.
ganun. Mas in-open nila sa beginners talaga. Like beginners.
Right.
Ano yung improvement sa mga studio ngayon?
Ano yun?
Like may mga studio ngayon na it's just really meant for dancing first.
Oh.
Dati kasi may makita ka mga studio tapos biglang may bars.
May bars?
Somewhere. Or biglang may mga nakatambay somewhere na mga parang dumbbells.
Bars as
Like,
in Workout bars.
Workout bars.
Akala ko kasi may bar.
No bars,
As in
like-
bars. Uy.
Sobrang walang alam.
Shout out to Jigro and Stan
No, pero
Derman.
diba,
Hey.
like, ngayon,
They gets
you see Zero Studio and you see Nude Floor and you see all these
GC,
GC.
BP,
Na it's dance first before it's some other
anything else.
function.
Or
Before-
multi-purpose.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Right.
tapos parang lahat sila ngayon aesthetic.
Quite.
Lahat ngayon, oo.
Meron ng parang identity ang studios
right.
to the community that they want to
Yes,
go.
exactly.
Kasi nung 90s,
Di ba yung yung kulay green?
yung
Diba?
green, yung nude, yung nude. Kasi nude floor.
Ano yung nude?
Nude, sorry. Lagi akong gino-joke ni Dayan na ako yung, I say nude kasi with a nia. Like, di ba nude lang? Na, anyway.
What?
Okay, educated person.
Okay! So, God. So, nung mga 90s kasi, puro lang, most of the classes are classical dance, jazz, ballet,
Yeah.
ganon. Tapos yung hip-hop, which is the umbrella of everything else.
Yeah.
Nilalagay lang sa,
Non-traditional, yeah.
oo Nung 2000s, yun yung resurgence na parang naging popular na bigla yung street dance because of movies, TV shows, ABDC, ganon.
Yeah.
So, dumami yung studios, pero hindi pa siya as identified what classes are. Like street dance is like everything in street
Everything
dance,
is
di ba? Oh, everything is hip hop at that time.
That's hip-hop.
Anong studio una yung like na take ka na
This is
class
crump.
or like
Video na yun.
nakapag
Street dance class.
oh
Wait, sila muna.
like ano yung pinakauna yung studio na napunta ka offer ng street dance?
Ako BP. BP ako.
BP and All Stars San Juan.
North.
The OG San Juan. And
Wilson.
Snow.
Nakakamiss. Where Zurfy 1 was held.
Yes.
Ito pa yun.
Kami pa yun. Kami pag gumawa nun.
Sino pa natin?
Ano ibig sabihin ng Zurfy?
Hay, bawal sabihin na tayo po ay may NDA.
Alam
Hindi
niyo
ko
na
alam
yun.
kung maniniwala ako.
Alam niyo na yun.
Yes. Comment na lang po below sa mga tao na nakakalam po ng meaning ng Zurfy.
Comment below sa mga taong
Yes.
naabutan ng Zurfy.
Wow.
Grabe, no? But yeah.
Ako hindi naman siya parang comparison, observation lang. Ako parang since pandemic kasi nung nakulong yung mga tao, parang mas nagkaroon ng creative teaching yung ways na yung mga tao. Ako for one, nangyari kasi siya sa akin na parang
Right.
paano ko ba ituturo to ng nasa screen?
Oo.
Alam mo yun? So parang mas nagkaroon ka ng dapat sa session na to, eto lang muna kasi alam mo yun, yung internet, mahirap, music, ganyan. So dapat mas may latag na siya, mas may lesson plan ka na. Tapos parang after pandemic, mas nagkaroon ako personally ng pathway on how to teach things bukod sa choreo lang.
Pathway.
Oo, na parang kung ituturo ko tong choreo na to, dapat hindi siya yung main goal.
Yep.
Dapat ang main is parang kung paano siya nangyayari at kung yung mga ganong stuff. So parang hindi naman way back 2000s yung observation, more on nung pandemic. Siguro. Oo. Kasi nung pandemic din naman, parang going back sa episode previously, na parang yung TikTok, feeling ko nung nag-pandemic din, nag-boom yung TikTok halos. Kasi bored lahat ng tao eh.
Right.
So, wala, yun yung parang naging coping mechanism I think ng mga tao na parang, shit, sayaw ako sa bahay, ganyan, or whatever. Ganyan. And I think then na dahil sa TikTok, yung way of how people watch things, nagkaroon sila ng maikling attention span. In a way, yun. Tas yun din, social media rin also, pag naglabas ka ng mahabang stuff, I think, kunyari ikaw, naglabas...
Attention span ng mga tao.
Yeah,
Pag-
30 seconds, 45 seconds.
Pwede mo naman siyang i-favorites, tas mamaya mo na lang siya papanoorin. Alam mo yun, may mga ganun eh.
Pero panoorin nyo to. When it comes out.
Kahit mahaba to.
Oo.
Solid. Yun lang
Pero kung
naman.
sinabihan mo na sila, nanonood na sila.
Oh yeah. Nice, thank you. Thanks, bro.
Oo. So, stop mo muna ulit. Scroll up.
Tapos,
Balik ka. Para mag-make sense lang yung comment ni Jesse.
Oo, ganda, maganda.
Yes. Save.
Same. So yung 2000s kasi feel ko, more so yung content ng classes. Kasi, aminado naman tayo lahat. Like, when you started to push movement ng walking, in 2000s, walking was under fem lang, right?
This is wacky.
oo, di ba? Same with locking and popping, parang dinikit lang siya sa street dance or
Yeah,
funk.
yeah, funk.
Funky. Funky pa nga eh. Wala pa nga locking or pop.
Funky.
Funky. Yung ganun, di ba?
funky.
Or, oo.
Punky pala, punky.
So parang yung content na grow throughout the years.
Yun talaga yung tawag nila.
Iba pa yung spunky.
Yun nga eh.
Iba pa yung spunky.
Iba pa yun.
Yun talaga yung tawag nila.
Tapos nung paninsabi ni Jobert, yung sa pandemic, yung, eto, question to everyone, parang, did you guys notice na nung pandemic, it was not just, kasi online, di ba? Hindi na siya naging just about teaching the content. Kasi pag live, in person, basta uturo mo yung content, yung just being on-site, may connection na dun eh.
Right.
Parang you had to do extra
Yep.
to connect with people.
Yeah, kasi the connection also.
Oh, naglalaki!
The internet connection.
Guys, gets nyo yun? It's about 5, 6, fuck. Nag-pause na.
Minsan nga,
So, di ba
minsan nga harap ko yung ano eh, tapos nagre-record lang ako ng video, tapos sinasabi ko, good job.
Good job. Kasi automated na.
and the delay.
Oo nga.
Oo, may delay.
Pag magpa-play kayo ng music together, di ba? Tapos parang delayed pa rin yung feedback.
Yeah.
Yung balik sa'yo. So parang may 2 seconds, 5
Ina-analyze ko na
seconds
lang, uy,
delay.
na-kill na yun, for sure.
Tama, you got it!
Nagawa niya ata.
I saw that, sinasabi ko gano'n.
Tapos parang may need
Papasok
for
yung tanong mo sa group
extra
chat
work.
natin.
Yung parang,
Kahit nagsisimula
sige,
pa.
send mo sa akin yung video
Yeah.
na na-record mo
Yeah.
para mapanood ko siya in real time with the music without the lag, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero yung sa pandemic, yung sasabi ni Jobert na bagong pathways.
Pathways, yeah.
Sorry, yun yung Jobert style.
Sige,
Parang naging catered siya to intense one-on-one connection. no?
Yeah.
At saka kung gusto ko, ito yung gusto kong way of learning it. Kasi everybody was offering probably the same thing.
Yeah.
Parang hahanapin ko yung choreographer na gusto ko. At saka yung nagtuturo ng ganitong way. Parang ganun. Mas na-open yung tao to choose, basically.
Sa akin naman, in ways of teaching, yung naturo sa akin that time was how to tell something in the simplest, fastest way
Yep.
possible. Because you
Exactly.
can't, hindi siya tulad ng face-to-face na you have your
Yeah.
everything, you have the time
Yeah.
to really spend time on sharing one concept ng mahaba. This time, since it's online, it's gonna be very, very hard kung
Right.
masyado kayo mahaba online.
Right.
You need to say it agad, direct to the point. And kailangan mag-gets niya agad.
Efficient.
So even the sharing and the feedback should be very, very fast.
Yes.
Right.
Kasi otherwise, we're wasting a lot of resources.
Yep.
Something na we cannot waste during that time. Kasi ano yun eh, emotional.
Then sige, building up to that, no? May question ako kay James actually na sobrang curious ko
Okay.
nito ever since pandemic.
Tapos ka na, bye.
Thank you. Thanks, bro.
Maganda to
Oh,
question
go,
na
go.
to. So,
Go.
na-notice ko to nung pandemic, parang sobrang niche nung ginawa ni James talaga. Like, medyo nag-turn talaga yung type of teaching, ganun. Kasi nga nag-niche siya na, ano yung ginawa mo ng Kala Forest, Kala Seth, yung mga parang teachers na tinuruan mo how
teachers
to
camp.
teach.
Ganun.
Teachers
Yun.
camp.
So like, paano mo naisip yung, sige, targetin ko yung mga gustong matuto na doesn't have the resources right now since it's pandemic, ganyan.
Right.
And then at the same time, na-build mo yung character nila na, for example, yun nga, Forest, yung geometry and dance, ganyan. So parang, from your, what do you call this? From your curriculum, paano mo naisip na, ito magiging okay na curriculum pa for you?
Right.
Ganun. So sobrang niche nung ginawa
Sorry,
niya.
out of topic. In fairness kay Mateo, ang ganda ng question niya.
Then, nag-research ka.
Ewago!
Usual.
Mahilig ako mag-research. Mahilig ako mag-research.
And with that,
Thanks for watching.
Marinig niyo yung answer niya.
Surprise! It's a shorter episode.
Maganda to. Maganda.
Teaching
Kasi
teachers.
Ang galing nung pag-shift niya nung tide ng teaching. Kasi di ba, pinag-uusapan natin observation about classes, ganyan. So, ang laki nung turn nung halos 360 o 180. Sabihin natin 180. Kasi hindi siya nag-produce ng dancers lang. Nag-produce siya ng teachers dito. Ganun. So,
Kung ina-analyze.
180 lang. 180 lang. Pag 360 talagang sobrang
Ganun lang.
innovation yung ginawa.
bumalik ka lang sa
Kung 360, bumalik ka lang doon.
Oo, bumalik ka lang doon. Di ba?
540.
I got something. I'm back here.
900 pa rin.
But yeah, yun. Paano mo na-build yung niche na yun?
Magaling ako.
Done. Talent.
Okay.
Galing din sa
Ooh, talent.
Di ba haba nung tanong mo, so galing na effort sa'yo.
Di ba?
Kasi na dapat
Judo
simple
dito
and
eh.
fastest way. Oh.
Abaan mo naman yung sagot mo. Kinabisado niya sa
Podcast to
CR
eh.
yan kanina.
Magaling ako
Kaya ba na? Siguro di niya rin alam no. Nagkano lang, nag-idea lang noon.
Oh.
Di honestly, kaya ako siya ginawa. Kasi if you think about it, ang kapal ng mukha, di ba? And I tell this to my students na parang, kapal ng mukha, no? Magtuturo ka paano magturo. Parang, wow, sino ka ba? And honestly, I feel like I don't have that prestige yet, especially sa hierarchical setup ng community natin. I just really wanted to converse with people who are as obsessed with teaching as me, honestly. And I feel like I wanted to make an excuse to kamusta yung, paano kayo nagtuturo? How do you teach? Kunwari, pole dance teachers, how do you teach pole? How do you teach ballet? How do you teach crump? Just to feed my obsession with it. Tapos naisip ko sabi ng wife ko, gusto ko ng gano'n. Sabi niya, di, share mo din yung personal philosophy mo in teaching. So parang naisip ko, ano nga pa yung philosophy ko? Tapos nilagay ko siya. Tapos ang dami. Sabi niya, di gawin mo 4 days. Tapos, yun lang, gawin mo, unlock teachers, kung paano ka magturo, yun lang. Tapos maybe people will get something from it. Tapos doon ko na-itemize, parang yung ginawa ni Jobert, parang doon ko na-realize na, ito pala yung methodologies ko, ito pala yung principles ko, ito pala yung pinanggagalingan ng ganitong activities, ito pala yung, tapos ito pala yung gusto kong maging product. At the end of the day, gusto ko lang magkaroon ng bridge for the people who are interested in teaching or interested to teach, to finally feel like, okay, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Whether I want to teach in the future, I want to know what teaching is like, or I want to teach now and I don't know how to start. Ito, para
Galing.
ganun. So I feel like, philosophy ko kasi, if you want it, you deserve a chance to get it. I feel like there are a lot of complaints na, magaling lang naman yan magsayaw hindi naman magaling magturo But there are a lot of people who want to teach and are capable, they just don't know how. So I want to be able to help them at least like gets mo na ito yung pwede mong gawin to start.
So yung 4 days na yan, hindi kayo sumasayaw?
Nagsasayaw din. Pero nung pandemic kasi, it's all most of conversation. So yung nangyayari sa Unlock Teachers Camp, may challenges.
Challenge.
If nakikita niyo, yung first challenge is usually make a dance lesson plan. Gawa ka ng lesson plan ng groove, kunwari groove. Walang limits, kahit anong pwede mong gawin to teach groove. To just get them to think outside of the box. Pwede kang lumabas sa studio, pwede basta ituro mo yung ganyan. So may mga yun, ideas na sumasabog, like punta kami sa beach, gano'n. Tapos play ako ng music, play akong loud music pero bawal sumayaw. Yung mga ganyan. So natuturo nila yung topic ng dance in a very different way.
Galing.
Polarizing follow-up question. So, with that kasi, ganda nung na yan kung saan tayo nag-start. Teaching itself kasi is a different skill than just being a good dancer. So, ito. Polarizing question. So, what are your thoughts on if the person can teach really well, but hasn't had
Have.
or have
Hasn't had
or yung
underline the proper verb.
so sabihin natin haven't got
Haven't being bought.
so sabihin natin teaching wise parang yung skill present pero yung skill of dance and experience and technical
Oy,
side.
may ganyan.
So
May
glad
ganyan
that
akong
we're talking
kilala.
about
Yes,
What
yes.
if kulang siya?
Yes.
Where do we place?
May follow-up
At saka,
question.
eh, meron-
Yan, maganda.
Hindi, meron na akong follow-up question na pwedeng sagutin doon sa topic na yun. Kung kunyari, ako yung student, tas kunyari ikaw James, ikaw yung teacher na yun, na sobrang galing mo magturo talaga, pero hindi mo siya ma-apply sa dance mo.
What do you mean? Ako?
Oo,
Hindi
sobrang
ko
galing mo magturo. Tapos parang pag sumayaw ka naman, parang
Hindi siya
sakto lang
kita.
naman eh. Oo, parang ganun.
Yes.
Oo.
Mali mo.
Paano mali?
Mali mo.
Paano magpaturo
Mali
sa akin?
mo.
Na-scam
Bobo ka pala eh.
Na-scam kita.
Surprise! That was part of the test.
Na-scam kita.
Require ko yung
Na-scam ka. Now you know.
Parang same
You
way.
think you know,
Parang
but you
same
have
way
no
kasi
idea.
Parang knowledge ka lang ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos hindi mo ma-apply.
In a way,
Marunong sa
oo. Or
application
parang
side.
yung skill and experience mo, not comparable to
What you
What you
say.
teach.
Oo.
Oo.
Ito personally, ito yung sinasabi ko sa Unlock Teachers Camp. Pwedeng iba-iba yung views yan, pero personally, ako yung, for me, yung integrity ko at credibility ko as a teacher depends on if I can show and tell. Yun lang talaga. So,
Okay.
for me, if I can show it to you, that's a lot easier for the students to absorb it than sabihin ko, panoorin mo sa ganyan. That takes so much time eh. It's efficient for me to show kasi ang minimodel natin na innate human quality of learning first is modeling eh. Pag kaya ko nang i-model with you and describe what I'm doing while I'm teaching it, mas madali for the students to kasi multisensory yun eh. Diba?
Multisensory.
Visually, tapos kinesthetic. Kasi I can describe what's happening in my body. Mas madali nilang maiintindihan versus like, alam mo, feel ko yung locking ganyan dapat eh.
Oo.
Pero hindi ako marunong mag-locking eh. Parang ang off nun eh. Kasi
Pag in
parang-
theory lang.
Oh, in theory.
Oo.
Personally for me, especially in street dance, that may involvement ka eh. And dapat at least credible ka to teach what you're saying. If not, gawin mo muna.
Oo.
To a point na, kaya ni coach eh. That's my personal standard. Yun lang ako. I know other people have different standards.
And I think, building up to that, no, parang, pag ma-knowledge ka lang, I think hindi ka enough to be a teacher. Parang best if you can just, give your feedback. But not tell the people na, ito dapat yung itsura nyo.
Honestly, kahit feedback, I would have
mo
to
ba rin
say like,
i-count?
if you really want to give feedback that's constructive to the student, it doesn't matter kung ano yung alam mo eh. Kung kailangan alam mo kung ano yung kailangan niya. Kasi to be honest people outside can tell you that you suck in dancing. And sabihin nila, ito yung kulang mo. It's easy to do that.
Tama.
It's easy to actually share information. Uy, alam ko lahat ng locking and popping. Ito, boom, nag-research ako eh. Sige nga, patingin nga ng locking. Hindi ako nagla-locking eh. And it's like,
Yun lang.
Okay.
Outs.
So, ibig sabihin, parang at least, it's not for you. Isa yung core value ko sa Unlock method is student first. Parang if you really want to serve teaching, it's not about how much you know, but how much you can serve the student. Kasi may kailangan sila eh. And if they can't find it from you, then at least make sure na meron ka ng something na yan. That's just me.
Yung knowledge lang, yung parang knowledge lang meron, pero yung application and yung demonstration wala. Feel ko, is that wrong? Not if you can package what you're teaching as something that that will preface what they need to learn after. Kasi parang I can say na parang,
Pwede,
this is
yes.
my knowledge,
Yes.
this is the lecture, this is in theory.
Yeah.
I'm giving you all of this.
Right.
Now, do you want to try to do it?
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Right,
So, to get further and deeper knowledge of the
Right,
application,
exactly.
go to this person.
Exactly.
So, if you're
Exactly.
honest and authentic with
Yeah.
that, I think it'll be more effective for the student.
Exactly.
Redirect people.
At saka best
Oo.
quality yun of a teacher. If you tell the people that you don't know stuff,
Oo.
just tell them, I don't know it.
Even sometimes as a coach, ginagawa ko to all the time with CADs. Shout out sa 50 CADsters na nandito.
Grabe naman kayo! Sobra kayo!
sa CADs, may mga stuff na gusto kong gawin. And as a coach, sasabihin ko sa kanila parang, okay guys, ito yung idea, ito yung theory ko siya sa gusto kong gawin. Pero hindi ko alam if
Right.
how, so let's explore,
Let's see.
let's give time.
Right.
And then if there are sources na we can get stuff from.
Right.
Well, like, secure ako sabihin na hindi ko to alam eh.
Exactly.
So, pero
Yeah.
alamin natin.
Exactly.
I think that's a good,
Right.
I'm giving myself props now. That's a
No,
good
but it's
thing.
real though.
Oy.
You should.
It's rare to see
Indicator yun.
someone lifting their own chairs. No? It's nice.
Okay, uy. Pero indicator
Oh, kaya
siya of
pa, kaya
parang, I think
Yeah,
that's
credibility.
Credibility and something more basic na students look for from teachers eh. Trust eh.
Trust, yeah.
Oy, indicator siya na parang, okay, I can trust this coach or this teacher. Kasi parang
Yeah.
very rooted siya eh.
Right.
Kasi if all just like, hindi, kaya ko yun.
Yeah,
Kasi
alam ko yun eh.
Theoretically, you know. Pero but also, siguro, eto, to give lang to the older teachers, even if hindi na nila kaya gawin now, but if nagawa nila before, they can share that experience.
Yes.
Iba yun
Okay,
eh.
iba din yun eh.
Lived experience yun eh. Yeah.
So like for example,
And it's coming from somewhere.
oo, kunwari, may mga skills na hindi ko na kaya now.
Right.
Pero nagagawa ko dati,
Yeah,
kaya ko
yeah.
siya ituro.
Right? Like bending your knees.
Grabe na yung students mo tumawa.
Yes! One of our 50 cadsters.
Ganun kayo sa
Nag-gets
Hope
niya yun
team.
agad eh.
Okay.
Ang galing sa open team. Tingnan natin next
Standing
time.
up.
Parang last episode ko na talaga to.
I guess too old na ako to coach. Sabay ganun. Hindi, pero yun, di ba? Parang yung kay Mateo, parang be rooted in reality.
Right.
In a way, di ba? Pero ano yung thoughts nyo?
Not sa AI.
Ay, what if yung...
Ayun, sige, go.
What if yung thought ng tao na yun, devil's advocate lang, what if yung thought ng tao na yun is objectively sinasabi niya kung ano yung...
Tama.
Kasi theoretical yung
Right,
ano niya, di ba?
right.
So what if objectively sinabi niya, kasi yung form ni ganito could be better dahil sa
Right.
sa pagiging
Right.
objective dito sa style na to.
Right.
For example, sa Uplock, di ba? What if ganyan yung itsura nun sa iba? Tapos sinabi niya, kailangan maayos. Upright talaga, mga ganyan.
Right,
So what
right,
if
right.
nandun siya sa point na objective yung criticism
Tas
niya?
tama naman, gano'n.
Oo.
Question yun.
Oo.
For me kasi,
Oo,
magkakaalaman yan sa yung street cred and experience, doon siya
Oo.
papasok. Kasi kanya pag may magsabi ng ganyan, madali magsabi ng mga ganun eh. But ang follow-up question just is, how? Paano mo nasabi na mali yun?
Right.
Bakit siya mali?
Mm.
Kapag yun yung, kasi ang dali sabihin na, okay, ganito.
Oo.
But, this is street dance eh.
Oo.
Wala tayong,
Falls into subjective.
hindi ito tulad ng ballet na parang, ito yung proper form.
Yes. Oo.
There are ways for
Form
us to
dependent.
bend
Hindi siya
the
ganun.
form to
Oo.
what fits us.
Parang bend.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like the knees.
It keeps coming. It keeps
I'm
coming.
back.
Grabe, wala talo.
Per
Talo,
dance style
tunay.
iba eh. Per dance style
Oo.
iba eh.
Oo.
Gets. Like,
Nawala.
And that's it.
But if you want to say objectively, is this a right angle? You can say, yeah, that is
Diba?
a right angle. But then the next question is like, what are we doing that for?
Exactly.
bala, yun yung laging tanong eh. I mean, sige, so bakit ganito?
Oo.
Bakit ganito yung form?
Oo.
Kailan ito naging ganito?
Exactly.
Sobrang mali na ba pag ganito na?
Right, right.
Oh, sobrang mali na ba pag ganito na ba? So parang, hindi ba ito mas strong?
Oo nga naman.
Tama.
I'm built different. Alam mo yung may egg. I'm built
Hindi, pero
different.
di ba, yung mga ganung klase ng tanong,
Whoa.
those are things na you can answer kapag na-live mo na siya.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yung experience na yun.
Oo,
Kasi
gets.
that shows depth
Oo.
of knowledge.
At saka purpose eh. Like, kunwari ito, it's called Uplock, diba? And it's called ganyan. If you know the history of it, alam mong hindi to kailangan eh.
Mm.
So if you get to teach it from that point of view, it could be better, so you should be doing like this. Ang dami mo nang na-take away from the experience of the person who will learn locking
Yes.
eh. Now, for sure, from progression niya, iisipin niya, ay, mali lahat yan. Oh. Yung locking niya, ganito lang, diba? So, ang iisipin din niya, because ang alam lang niya is right or wrong, iisipin niya lahat, mali silang lahat, coach. Oh.
Yes.
Tapos pag in-enable mo yun, in a way parang, tama ako eh. Kasi hindi ko ginagawa. Tama ako, diba?
Yeah.
Kawawa yung student mo.
Oo.
Kasi siya yung hindi pala kailangan ng ganun. Siya yung mag-ano eh. So, I think it's a lot, yun nga, it's easy to say it's right or wrong. But if you get deep into the street dance style, ma-realize mo per street dance style, yung essence niya is not how to make it like the best looking thing.
The best looking thing.
Or like, that's part of it. You can make it look like this
Oh.
or
Yeah.
not, pero may intention behind every movie. So, it's like, if you're saying, pangit ng locking niyo, okay, pangit.
Oo, eh.
Okay lang.
Lari ito, sa amin sa whacking, there was a time before na Ibuki was the only standard. Na it has to be strong and fast and powerful and
Athletic.
punchy and athletic and as in very, very demanding sa muscles. As in ganoon talaga siya. But that's not the only way. But people kept thinking na that was the only way of whacking. Then people start seeing Lip J, who's doing
Yes.
it more feminine, more sensual. It looks slower in terms of speed, but it's there.
Yeah.
Diba? That's another way of doing whacking.
Sino yung naka-suit lagi na guy? Mr. B? Ne, Mr.
Bean.
Mr. B.
Hindi nyo kilala ko nakasuot
Mr.
natin.
Big.
Big from
Oo.
Korea.
Di ba very different din
Diba?
sa kanya?
Or a lot of people always think na dapat kapag whacking, kailangan mong ibakla or ibading. But like, it
Right.
is written from LGBT community,
Yeah.
from the
Oo.
Black Latin community,
ganun
Black
talaga.
Latin gay community, but it's still how you interpret the
Right.
dance.
Exactly.
Because the point is still the
Right.
music.
Right.
If this is the
Hey.
best way to interpret the music,
Yeah.
then this is how you do it.
Yeah.
So,
Sabay
That's why a lot
nag-whacking
of
ako.
people misinterpret before na kapag mahina yung execution mo,
Right,
hindi siya enough
Hindi siya
whacking.
enough.
Exactly. And the words hina, lousy, lazy, coach, parang feel ko kulang sa energy. Usually, these are coming from context na dapat malinis palagi eh. Dapat malakas palagi eh. Which
Diba?
is very...
Hanggang ngayon.
Hanggang ngayon,
Ganun pa
it's a
rin.
very competitive context. But like usually, pag may tinuturuan akong galing compet team, ang hirap turuan kasi kailangan ma-feel nila malakas eh. And then when I start
True.
saying these words na ayaw marinig, like gawin mong lousy, gawin mong parang lasing, they get it. Ang mahirap nun is they get it but may cognitive dissonance kasi yung katawan nila, ano to, hindi ko to alam. Pero they're actually they're actually showing you the best way or the best looking versus the usually malakas and matigas or sharp. Pero yun nga, because of how training went or how they learned it, na very, coach, di ba dapat right way is ganito? Wait. Parang, parang yun, nasasayang yung potential of learning it in a more deeper way.
In the, feel ko dun sa educational aspect of it, as a teacher, coach, or mentor, or whatever, feel ko, and sorry, lagi akong babalik sa CADS kasi, well, yun naman, sila naman kina-coach ko. Yung pag-explain ng right or wrong, feel ko kailangan siya laging proper to contextualize.
Contextualize,
Kasi, like
yep.
for example, train kami for a compet or a piece. Tapos may part ako na lilinisan and kailangan ko, guys, kailangan ko siya like this. Kasi
Right.
ang kailangan natin achieve objectively is this form.
Right.
Yes.
This look, aesthetic.
This is look, the aesthetic, that's the goal. Now, and usually this happens, may lalapit sa akin, Coach, pag ganito ba, kailangan ganito. Tapos yung sagot is like, depende. Tapos parang, but di ba we did this? Oh, for that.
Yeah.
Pero yung for this, kung tatanungin mo ako sa locking, depende. Kung gusto mo ganito, pwedeng ganun.
Yep.
So, feel ko as a teacher, coach, mentor, or kung anyone sharing information, contextualize and encourage your students to ask
Yes.
why. Why are we
right.
doing this nga ba?
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan to for aesthetic. So, kailangan malinis. Kasi sometimes pag sa pyesa, sabihin ko, guys, okay, part na to, robot na tayo. We just have to be clean kasi kailangan siya for the aesthetic. Okay, nang gagawin natin. Ganun, chush. Itong part nito, hindi, kailangan nyo ma-feel. Kailangan mawala yung ganun. So,
Right.
parang, if people have a bit more questions
Yeah.
to ask themselves, even as teachers, di ba?
Exactly.
Parang mas mabubuo yung
Right.
holistic
Yeah.
view of like accepting style, dance, and movement versus black, white. Or,
Answer me this question, parang ganun.
parang, this is
So,
the answer.
ano siya, parang theory and objective or pagiging objective mo or theological mo about the style is more of the fundamentals doing it. Pero when you're doing the dance or putting it in a routine or magbabattle ka or in a community, it's more of the concept and context kung paano mo siya gagawin.
Or what you need to do talaga.
Okay.
Kunwari, kung magsali ng HHI, may criteria.
Yeah.
So, susundan mo yung
Exactly.
criteria if you want to.
Doon ka magiging objective.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
context and concept talaga.
Pero if pupunta ka sa very authentic locking battle, I'm gonna say don't follow the criteria of Well, this is not against HHI.
Pero
Sir Nano, judge mo to. Judge mo to. Host mo ng ilang years.
Siya din.
think-
Hindi, kasi sabihin ko,
Ako po,
that's it for this episode.
HHI is doing good.
Hindi, sasabihin ko, don't follow yung execution objective criteria ng HHI. Kasi yung team siya, kailangan may specific look for everyone.
As one.
Sundan mo yung sayo. Yung mag-work with your authentic locking and whatnot.
Right.
Kaya di ba, parang dun yung 3D thinking siya eh. Hindi lang siya
Yung pala yung 3D.
3D.
Let's make it 40.
Ooh! Nafe-feel.
Ito rin din, add ko lang dun. So for example, for me, ang belief ko kasi, if you really understand something, you can command it. So I want to make it look like this, kaya natin yan. I want to make it look like dirty, I want to make it look like, sorry, quote-unquote, authentic or mas raw. I can. So if you have the essence of that na parang, I can show it in all different ways. Ibig sabihin, I have command. I can make it look like a strong, quick, fast, at least I can. Diba? At least alam mo na. Pero naturo ko sa inyo yung essence ng dance style na to, ito. So usually ang fina-fight lang ng teachers for every student is uncertainty. When you give certainty to students, mafe-feel nila na, okay, alam ko na what I need, what I can work on. Alam ko na paano siya gagawing mas maganda, mas magaling, and not necessarily mas malinis. Mas malinis and mas malakas is just an option. Or it's just a variation.
Yes.
But in general, I know what this style is about. I know how I can improve. I know who to ask information from, and I know how to get better at it. Parang ganun. So, and teachers who can tell you na it's not just me. You can learn from all these different people. Yun eh. Kasi you're not telling them, just stick with me. Alam ko
Parang may
lahat.
kilala akong coach na ganyan.
Feel ko maraming ganyan.
Just to tie it up lang. Kasi parang madali mag-fake ng mga bagay-bagay. Like for
Yes.
example, talamak din to.
Talamak.
Di attended, di niya alam yung talamak.
Oh, this is true. This is real.
Umatendang
Di ba
sila
crab
ng
yun,
class ng
talamak?
isang tao, like
Symposium.
class ko or class niya.
Forum.
And then they will reiterate the words
Yep.
that we say.
From the OG. Or
From the OGs
guest.
or from someone to their class or their connections or their communities or whatever. But that's not knowledge because that's not your interpretation. That's just regurgitating what literally I said.
Right.
But wala kang understanding of that one at wala kang lived experience,
Lived experience.
of what I taught.
Right.
So, ang dali mag-fake, ang dali mag-flowery words, ang dali mag-post on Facebook and be like that insightful person.
Book smart.
Di ba? Ang dali magsabi ng mga malalalim na words
Right.
and people will just eat it up.
Ooh.
Like
Kasi mukha siyang
regurgitate.
credible
Oo.
eh. Mukhang credible.
People will take it na parang,
Dami
iba yung
mga-
regurgitate,
Ah,
hindi
sorry,
yung
sorry,
eat it
sorry.
up.
Regurgitating.
No, but like gets, and then people will like it kasi parang, uy, ang lalim sinasabi niya. But
maraming
like,
knowledge daw.
you have to check again, yung tao ba nagsasabi nito, may pinanggalingan ba talaga siya for them to be able to come from this one. Like people talking about battles but have never really battled at
Battled,
all.
How
Or
can you-
judged a battle
Oy.
at all.
Right.
Parang,
Parang hirap i-trust na.
di ba?
Oo.
That's even more difficult compared to people joining competitions. Kasi battle na nga lang to Wala na nga tong parang criteria. It's just you dancing. So parang ang hirap kumuha or as a student, kunyari, ang hirap i-accept ng mga insight na sinasabi ng mga ganitong tao when I know I've had more battle experience than this person. So, saan nagagaling yun? Yun lagi yung balik niya. Saan nagagaling yung sinasabi ng mga tao? Because if people can't back it up, then lahat ng sinasabi niya ay just words.
Words.
Wala siyang
Words.
meaning. At wala siyang weight.
Wala siyang weight. Oo.
Diba?
Wala siyang laman.
Because no matter how many deep words you use, the people who know can use simpler words
Yeah.
to share the same
exactly.
thing. So,
Slam poetry.
Ayun.
Words.
If you can explain it to a 5-year-old, then
Yeah.
gets mo siya eh.
Oo.
Alam mo yun, parang gets mo yung essence.
But also not to take quoting or
Right.
against anything.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's like the deeper understanding of it din eh. Which is exactly what you said na parang if you can paraphrase it for it to make sense like that.
Sense. Yeah.
Then that means na gets mo siya.
Right.
Gusto ko yung parang kaya natin siyang pag-usapan on a deep academic
Exactly.
level.
Right.
Pero gusto ko rin yung parang in layman's terms.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Balik tayo dito.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Diba?
Oh, kasi sometimes with your
Yeah.
students kailangan ganun eh.
Yeah.
If blah 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 with so many big
Yeah,
words.
exactly.
What are we talking about, coach?
Exactly.
Pero if you could just make, hindi, pause. Gawin mo muna to. Ito
Exactly,
lang.
gawin
Kasi
mo
ito
muna
lang,
to.
ito lang kailangan mo right now.
Right.
Exactly.
Gawin mo yan. Tapos later, mag-gets natin yan.
Yeah.
parang when people discuss about biokinetics or something, diba? Parang lalim-lalim. Kung sasabihin mo na sa kanila,
Biokinetics.
di ba ang bigat ng feeling?
Di ba yun yung
O di
ano?
ba mas magaan kapag ganito yung ginawa mo?
Exactly. Pag dito mo nilagay, dito mo yung intention. Yeah.
Napunta tayo sa sa format or teaching classes. Kasi of course, meron din mentoring the teachers. And there are teachers who absorb formulas ng classes, especially in terms of choreography. Ano yung thoughts nyo on yung process of having yung standardized way of teaching, especially for choreography classes, and yung mga minamentor na younger teachers, younger coaches to shadow, and yung being ano yun? Parang in tradition, yun na lang gagamitin kong term,
Okay, okay.
of those formulas and structures. What are your thoughts? Tapos may follow-up question din daw si like,
Medyo seryoso yun.
okay,
Ganda yan.
detrimental, instrumental, it is what it is.
Shadowing.
pros and cons. Not just shadowing, pero like yung passing down traditional
Right,
formulas of...
Parang parang
Like a
intern,
curriculum, ganun.
parang
Parang may ano ka,
assist, parang ganun.
assistant coach to learn how you coach.
How you teach, how you coach,
But siguro masyadong broad na yung coach as a general. Pero for this one, class.
class.
Ito yung formula, dito ganito mag-warm up. Ito yung dito ganito ako magtuturo ng choreo, formula, structure, formula.
So ano yung tanong?
Like, ano yung thoughts nyo? Ano yung thoughts
Yes,
nyo?
no,
Ano yung thoughts nyo dun?
Kakakonect lang niya sa wifi.
Ako meron akong
Go.
Kakakonect lang niya.
I think it depends on the mentor. Kung paano niya gustong ipasa yung legacy. I think shadowing is one way. So for example, kunwari si Pat na mentor ko, how to coach, how to teach. Ini-invite ko siya sa lahat ng classes ko. If he wants to take the class, or if he wants to sasabihin ko, Pat, pwede ka mag-straight. Ganyan. So, in a way, parang nakikita niya how I teach and how I model basically. But, for me, parang yun, pwede siyang mag-attend lang. Parang ganun. So, siguro there are people who really get people to be assistant teachers, assistant coach on the class. Tapos pwedeng may segment na magtuturo sila. Parang ganun. So, depends. That's just my take on it.
Sa akin naman, I think shadowing naman is hindi naman siya bagong concept. And it's not just limited sa dance community. It's normal. I think I want to know more context sana on this one.
Are you
Like,
talking about
may negative ba tayo
the earlier
parang
stripes?
nakita on this one?
and the hours?
Siguro yung the traditional way
Which
of
is,
like,
Like, coach and then assistant, ganyan.
like, what are your thoughts on that? Ito yung main teacher, ikaw yung intern, kumbaga. Ito yung kailangan mong i-memorize na formula structure bago ka pwede magturo. Tapos, rinse and repeat for the next generation, for the next generation, for the
Ako,
next
may
generation.
share ako. Sa LPU, meron akong mini-mentor na tao doon. Tapos, bukod sa classes, taking classes, minsan pag downtime namin, tinatry ko siyang parang kunyari, one-on-one, or parang mga 5 lang kami, ganun. Tapos parang sabihin ko sa kanya, may free ka bang choreo dyan? Any choreo? Tapos tulo ko lang. Wala lang, trip lang, turo ka lang. Tapos, in a way, parang yun na yung assessment ko sa tao na yun na parang, ganyan ka pala magturo, parang ganun.
Right.
And also, feeling ko important din as a mentor, dun sa mini-mentor mo, na kinukuhanan mo rin siya ng ideas.
Exactly.
Para alam niya rin kung paano ka mag-isip. Na parang, okay ba? Tapawa niya, ito idea ko. Tapos parang tatanong ko siya, anong feeling mo sa ganitong idea? Nung habang binubuo. So parang in a way, tumutulong siya sa'yo on how you build stuff. Pero at the same time, nalalaman niya na, ganyan ka pala bumuo. Gets, parang ganun. Yun din. At saka, importante rin feeling ko na sinasama mo sila sa field.
Yes.
By field, I mean, kunyari, ako, choreographer, classes ng ibang choreographers,
Okay.
competitions na choreo-based or whatever, kahit battle nga, kahit manood lang, ang dami mo nang matututunan eh. So, yun, mga ganun.
Yung shinare mo sounds like a very in-depth analysis kasi on like practice eh.
Yun yung ginagawa ko honestly. Pag kina-ask ko ng help si Pat, I really need his help. Kasi pag marami na akong classes naka-lined up na private, siya yung parang, bro, para bang ayusin yung thoughts ko. So siya, pag binounce back niya sa akin, Kuya James, I think ito yung kailangan mong gawin. Tapos like, oo nga. So siya yung personally kailangan ko ng ganun eh. So parang natutulungan ako ni Pat to fix everything. To remember my lesson plan, remember pag na-off na ako, at anong gagawin ko next? Sabihin niya, ito kuya. Tapos like, oo nga pala. Yun.
Ikaw ba pumili sa kanya o siya lumapit sa'yo?
I
Si
think,
God.
Chosen.
I think
It is you.
parang mutual siya eh. Hindi ko
Gets.
maalala if but personally,
Kasi sorry, hindi na makita kinakat. Pero may mga times na may nafe-feel ako sometimes, or baka hindi lang ako, na parang gusto magpa-mentor, pero alam mong,
yeah.
alam mo yun, na parang, pag minentor mo siya, malamang to isi-share niya sa iba, tapos parang pinagyayabang niya lang na parang, minimentor ako ni ano. Parang ganon.
Honestly, for me, okay lang sa akin yun. Kasi, ito rin yung philosophy, not just in teaching, parang, if you can use my name for your benefit, honestly, go for it.
For loan. James Bond po, kilala ko.
Kaya ko ng kotse.
Siguro
Kilala ko
yun
si
lang,
James
parang
Bond.
okay lang sa akin yun. That's just me. Parang go for it. Whatever you can benefit from that, whatever.
May follow-up question.
Sa akin
Ayan.
naman, ay, di.
Ah,
go.
Ikaw muna. Dun lang sa ano.
Hindi, ayaw mo ata siyang
Feeling
mag-comment.
ko, nga, may problema ka ba? Homophobe ka ata eh.
Huwag natin i-bleep yun.
So for me naman, going back lang doon sa mga sa mentoring concept, but same thing. Feeling ko dapat when you're mentoring someone, you should also be eventually teaching them how to add value dun sa buong work na ginagawa nyo. Kasi that's passing on the knowledge eh. But it doesn't mean na kung ano yung sinabi kong A, kunyari, SNA, literally A lang lahat ng sinasabi ng mga tao. Kailangan, kung ito yung knowledge, pag pinasa ko siya sa'yo, mag-build up ka na ng something. Para mas lumalago yung mga pinapatong nating knowledge to people. Because feeling ko walang sense yung mentoring if people are just
Copy-pasting.
repeating every single thing. So even the movement itself, hindi siya nag-grow. So even the understanding of what you're supposed to be teaching, hindi rin siya nag-grow. Kasi we're stuck with always kung ano lang yung sinabi. So as the mentor, kailangan tinuturuan mo sila how to learn things for themselves
Develop their
also.
own style.
Because ako hindi ako naniniwala sa spoon feeding eh. So parang...
Fork lang.
Oo.
Fork feeding.
Sometimes chopsticks.
Maganda.
It's like, ito, kaya naghanap akong 4K.
Hi, married
Pwede.
people.
Hey.
But yes,
Proud.
parang, for example, patterns sa whacking, di ba? Ang dali magturuan ng patterns, but if you keep spoon-feeding them yung kung paano gawin yung pattern, hindi sila matututo mag-isip or how to break down patterns. So, hindi sila makakagawa ng sarili nilang pattern. Kasi all they do is kung ano lang yung mga tinuro sa kanila. So, you need to teach them how to explore on their own and find their own ways to learn.
So that when they teach,
When they teach, they have their own insights
it's,
as well
oo.
on top of what they learned from me. And then later on, yung mga tinuruan nila, ganun din.
because the students later on might not be susceptible to the same thing.
Exactly.
Susceptible.
Susceptible. Papangalan ko sa anak ko, si Susie.
Ay.
Susceptible.
So bago yung question ni, before yung question ni
Susceptible.
Mateo, the reason why I ask kasi is parang ako at least, hindi ako believer of fixed and absolute structures. Oh no! Which is ironic kasi I teach modules in an academic, you know. Pero I believe in universal tools and necessity and universal truth. Universal truth.
New world order.
So, believer ako ng universal tools at saka ng yung necessities for preparation. Pero fixed absolute structures, including dogmas, that some teachers that would say, whether culturally or academically or even movement-wise, yung mga dogma na parang, di ganito talaga.
Wait.
Oo eh. Sure ka?
Sure
Pero
ka ba?
parang, hindi, sige, baka tama ka here.
Yes, yes.
Pero na-try mo na ba to kahit ganito? Kasi baka hindi siya
Pwede
same
rin.
thing eh.
Yeah.
Oo eh. So hindi ako fan ng mga ganun. But I do believe in yun nga, universal tools, stuff that you need to prep. Like, you know, the usual mobility is always
Yes.
important.
Right,
And
right.
then safety,
Injury. Avoidance.
step-by-step learning, mga ganun.
Right.
Pero yung the dogmas, feel ko doon ako nagpe-pet peeve minsan na
For example, anong dogma?
Labrador.
Yung naano ko sa...
Where's my dogma?
What happened to my dogma? Fuck dog, man. Aray ko, hindi pa to yun. Kahoy pala to. Oh.
Sige, what type of... Or sige, kahit hindi dogma, structure.
Water din na kaya.
Siguro na-absorb ko to from TP. Kasi parang, as much as you would like to follow certain parang structures for a certain session, maybe this might not answer it even. Parang,
Yes.
if you go back to like, what the team needs, it might not really be with that structure.
Right, makes sense.
Kaya siya babalik sa yung finding what's best for the team. Ganun. Kasi sometimes what's best isn't what's standard.
Right, yeah.
Oy. Which is, again, ironic kasi natuturo ako ng curriculum sa Ateneo. Well, it's basic. So, you know, of course, the standards are there.
Standards are tools.
Oo,
Tools to help change. So malleable din siya. Hindi siya nag-absolute. Kasi every generation nag-change eh.
Exactly.
So the way you articulate education, knowledge, and whatever, nag-change siya eh. Ngayon nga, kailangan alam mo na yun yung memes eh. Diba? For people to trust that you know culture and you know what you're talking about. And not just knowing history, but like, sige nga, pakita nga. So, okay din yun eh. So, being able to be, hindi naman relevant, but be able to show the student na I can cater to you and I can articulate the education or the knowledge to you this way.
Funny example of that. Siguro ito, 15 years ago, magpa-plank tayo for 10 minutes kasi kailangan natin for training.
Let's talk about
bodybuilder ba
this.
tayo?
Dogma
Let's
yun
talk about
for
this.
some people.
Yeah, or
Sige, kung iisipin nyo,
gagawin ko na siya.
physically
I did it.
speaking, to you, physically speaking, if there's any type of training for that would honestly just be your mental threshold.
Right. That's your mental fortitude.
Mental fortitude
Game,
training.
game. Kaya mo na 10 minutes.
10 minutes plank.
Oh,
Physically, is that really gonna help? Like parang
Mali mo, sinama sa pyesa.
tama.
Oo, 10 minutes.
Sumasayo isang grupo doon.
Tapos may body wave.
Tuturo ka lang. After sumama isang grupo.
Oh God! Sorry, that again, funny example lang. Not that
You don't
serious.
know.
It's not that serious. Pero parang yun, if you're made to believe na parang that is the right way, if you
To
can't
get better.
pass, nga eh. But then you're like, I don't really need to I can just plank for 30 seconds and that's a good engagement for my core. After that, let's work on something else for the next 9 minutes and 30 seconds, diba? Parang, okay. But again, unless mental fortitude yung gusto nyo,
Yung tension, yeah.
may intention, then, okay, that's what we're gonna do. Mental fortitude.
Yeah. Kaya there was this group na tinuruan ko before na nilesson ko talaga yung mga physically demanding training. Just did the warm-ups, but I wanted to focus more on the performance part.
Right.
Kasi I want them to perform my piece better. I don't need them to be buff.
Yeah.
Hindi kami sumali sa bodybuilding competition. Sinalihan namin ay dance competition.
Exactly.
So, hindi ko masyado pinapakilaman yung form ng katawan mo or kung sobrang toned ba ng muscles mo or whatever. Kasi we just have a few months to train for this competition. And I just need you to be performance ready, not bodybuilding ready. So, yun lang siya. I mean,
Sige.
tawag dito, physical conditioning. Very, very important. But,
Fun commercial. Nothing
Yes.
to do with Have you ever seen like a super buff whacker? Like a parang super buff.
Meron.
Yeah.
Actually, marami.
Oh, dang. Sorry, I haven't. As in parang
Mickey.
Mickey Atar.
Yeah, no, but Mickey's
nalilitan ka
like,
ba kay Mickey?
Hindi. Pero si Mickey, grabe si Mickey.
Sapakan na lang kayo.
Hindi, pero yung level, yung bodybuilder level. Meron din. Wala lang, parang okay, sige, back to
I
back to the
guess I was judgmental, no? Kasi very specific eh. Nakakita ka na ba ng
Hindi.
bodybuilder na whacker?
Na para ba?
Diba? Would you have asked that to someone like sa ballroom? What? I also don't know. Just saying words.
As in mga Terry Crews level, that's parang nagawa. Yeah?
Dancing.
Dang.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Dope.
Pakita ko sa'yo.
Anyway, nice.
Ayun, tagal.
Kung sa kanya, hindi nag-appear. So nag-appear. Okay, anyway. Ayun na. Okay, wait, sorry. Go.
Pwedeng
go.
both eh. Like, let's say, gusto mo yung dancers mo buff. Pwede rin yan eh. Gusto mo yung dancers mo buff and magaling magsayaw. Pwede yan eh. But not necessarily that you are conditioning your dancers like for hours in general conditioning things. Nagagaling sila sa sayaw. Whatever you do, you get better. So, pag sobrang galing mo sa plank, magaling ka sa plank.
Wow!
Not necessarily sa sayaw.
Diba?
Diba? Or magaling ka sa ganito. Gagaling ka sa ganito. Or sa philosophy, guys, kailangan yung mindset natin, dapat puso lang palagi. Gagaling ka sa puso. Gagaling ka sa philosophy. But in general, there's a way to get better at dance. And usually, it's just dancing more. So
More
there's
reps talaga.
diba? And yung katawan mo, it can be conditioned.
Yes.
But for recently, I mean, yung nababasa kong books, it's like you can condition your body to do a specific thing for today's training. hindi siya kailangang standard na palaging condition natin ganito.
Mm.
Unless gusto nyo ganun. But
Oo.
in general, every warm-up, every conditioning can change. And
Yes.
can adapt to what your purpose is for the week, for the dance session, for something that para purposeful din siya.
Exactly.
So parang if you're training for dance more.
Dance more. Yeah.
Because sometimes some conditioning days just to work out, I mean, they're beneficial, but
Yeah.
like parang, just have separate days for that.
Disclaimer, we're not saying na hindi importante ang physical conditioning
When you,
Important yun.
because dancing is both art and science.
especially when you reach a certain age, kailangan nyo
Yeah,
maging
like his
disciplined.
age.
Totoo.
May 1 year pa ako.
Pero ito lang. Before we leave the
Jeez!
before we leave the
Jeez,
conditioning,
guys!
iba din yung thin line na you get over-exhausted and
Yes.
overtrained and you get so injury-prone na
Oh,
hindi
man.
kailangan i-push pa natin. That's just crazy. Ang pinaka-important natin na gamit sa dancing is our bodies. So if you push a body to injury-prone states and you push the dancer to that, that's just ridiculous. Parang, that's just honestly human decency lang eh. Huwag mo pagsayawan yung dancer na may injury and hindi na kaya. Or nafe-feel mo na, let's say hindi lang physical, psychological, emotional injury, mental health. If you can respect that, sobrang big na yun eh, especially for this
Iba yun.
generation. Just saying.
Paano kung gusto nila sumayaw? I got this, coach! Joke lang. Hindi,
Sobrang pagod na pagod ka na.
Pilay-pilay na.
Yeah. So you have to stop there.
Oo nga yun, sa coach. Yung question mo.
Okay, sa fine arts kasi di ba may curator. Na ang curator is a connoisseur.
Right.
And this connoisseur has experienced or has a good experience of doing art na kaya niyang i-practice pero
Right.
dahil hindi siya magaling doon, inaral na lang niya. Inaral na lang niya everything.
Right.
Ngayon kaya niyang mag-judge ng competition, kaya niyang mag-mount ng exhibit, kaya niyang maging very objective, kaya niyang maging very subjective, kaya
Right.
niyang maging
Right.
kaya niyang maging mentor
Yes,
sa
yes.
artists. Kasi ganun level kayang abutin ng isang art curator eh.
True.
Meron bang pwedeng maging ganun sa dance? Like,
Ikaw ba yan? Hindi naman.
hindi. Malayo ba ako doon?
Baka asking
Malayo
for a
ako
friend.
dun.
Parang
Malayo ako
asking
dun.
for a friend
Pero
eh.
pwede. Kasi nagkaroon din ako experience sa dance.
Yeah.
Pero
tama.
medyo matagal na ako wala rin sa scene. So like, hindi ko rin masabi na up to date pa ako. Compared to art, up to date ako. Ganun. So meron bang possible na maging parang art curator or dance curator or maging art connoisseur or dance connoisseur per se?
Or bodybuilding connoisseur.
Meron akong kilalang coach na ganun.
Feel ko, if there could be, there already would have been. Because dance, even not talking about street dance, even classical dances. However, most people...
Sa classical, meron.
Yeah, but most people in the classical, yung mga curators,
Oo.
they still have background,
Yeah.
classical background, and the experience of the dance. Kasi it's one thing
Wow.
Hindi siya completely
Pwede pa
someone
nga.
na
na
Dance
purely
appreciator
theoretical.
lang.
Inaral lang niya because
Yeah.
textbooks
Textbook.
wise,
There
meron
still was
ganyan.
experience with the body and
Right,
understanding of music, movement,
Yeah.
body relationship, mind relationship.
Right.
So there's still a certain level of experience to it. Now, I'm pretty sure if that person was like, from the very beginning, pero kung super banu siya, hindi niya ma-gets yung stuff, I'm pretty sure hindi siya mavavouch ng colleagues to pursue that. I think people who pursue those are maybe the ones na parang had experience na injure, had experience, felt it wasn't for them, but wanted to do something more on the academic side or the,
Right.
perhaps.
Yeah.
Pero from zero,
From
maybe...
zero, imposible. Yeah,
Oo.
imposible. Kahit naman sa art, hindi ka pwede maging connoisseur or hindi ka magiging curator if zero ka.
Right.
Ganun. So like, you have to have some skills
Yeah.
na ma-apply mo. Kasi parang pag curator ka kasi, the space is your canvas.
Right.
Ganun. For example, what I did with Cash, no? Hindi ako technically walang ginawang work. Ganun. Kumbaga, I have the skills, alam ko kung paano i-appreciate yung art na to,
Yeah.
alam ko kung paano siya i-market, alam ko kung saan siya isasabit.
Right.
So parang, this is my canvas, gano'n.
Right.
So, is it applicable to dance na parang, kunyari si Jobert, tuminto na sumayaw, ganyan. Sabi niya, I'll call it a career, pero gusto kong maging connoisseur ng dance or ng hip-hop, ganyan. Can he still do it after how many years?
If Jobert is I spoke on behalf of
I
you, di ba?
think sa akin, if you're talking about curation kasi, I think the title has to be very, very clear
Yes.
and defined. na you're just someone collecting pieces of art to make a whole presentation. Diba? But you are not the artist itself. You are not the art itself. You're just someone choosing different art pieces from different artists, collecting this. And that's your job. That is what you're claiming to be your job.
Pero hindi rin naman makakagawa si artist ng specific artworks if hindi siya tutulungan ni curator mag-conceptualize.
Yeah.
Kasi as a curator, you do the exhibit writing, you do the researching, you do the conceptualizing. Paano magiging isang cohesive show ang isang artist na yung artworks ng isang artist if hindi i-conceptualize ng curator?
Yeah, but kaya nga dun siya
Yung
papasok.
sasabihin.
Parang the definition
Oo.
has to be very, very clear.
So parang
Naging yung
sure,
pasok niya sa
dapat talagang
sa work niya.
Oo,
Ang problem kasi dyan is that we've had this experience before na when someone's organizing a big dance event but they kept claiming na they're not part of the dance community. Dun palang may disconnect na if that's always your claim. Diba?
Or you want to help the dance community.
Oo. But you always keep putting this disclaimer na hindi mo ako part ng dance community. Ganyan.
But I want to help you.
But I want to help. So parang napuputol siya. But like, I think the intention has to be very, very clear and defined. Kung hanggang saan ka lang at kung ano yung kaya mong ma-offer.
Right.
So, yun
Oo.
siya.
So the experience pa rin talaga papasok.
Unless yung
I think more
side
intention.
nung... Oo eh. And yung
More
side yung
intention.
curatorship na yun
True.
is a very artistic sense, perspective. That person needs a partner on the execution side. That's why...
art curator, artist, and curator.
Oh,
Yeah.
art curator, artist, and curator, or maybe even like the same way that a basketball team, maybe not the best analogy, but you have the coach, you have an assistant coach, you have a conditioning coach,
Yes.
you have a
facets.
yes, exactly. So that curator could be on the artistic side of it, of what aesthetically they might want to see.
Yeah.
But in terms of execution, you need someone who knows the body. Kasi dance so physical. It's so physical. Si Jobber may gusto siyang sabihin kanina.
Hindi, wala.
Wala ba?
Sabihin ko sana, si Mateo ba tong katabi ko? Para siya yung...
Masyado
Iba eh, no?
Oo, iba
Oo
eh.
nga eh. It's a different
Usually,
side.
kasi maganda yung crowd
Yeah,
ngayon.
oo.
Like, the crowd ngayon, para siyang...
Maganda rin naman yung crowd before.
Oo, pero...
Wow!
yung
best eh.
Wala!
Itong crowd na to,
Loser yung mga crowds before.
the dancers to be
Tenured.
curated.
Gigolo Splendor.
Diba? Like, itong dalawang to can be called, or soon to be, can be called soon na dance curator kasi they know everything or
Everything.
sa style nila. Sa style nila. Ganun,
Ito lang,
conceptualize.
Dapat may shirt nun, Connor shirt.
Connoisseur. Connoisseur. Pero for me, honestly, it depends on what you do. If you're actually curating without the title, then you're a curator. And you curate different ways. Let's say galleries, paintings. Let's say dance, you curate through videos. Then you are a curator of dance. Kasi nag-video ka eh. Tapos yun-show mo. Like for example lang, I know there are people who don't want to take videos of themselves. So parang for me, ako na lang mag-video sa'yo, tapos produce natin yan. Kasi alam kong, you're not gonna do it eh. Or kung si Ayel.
Yung AI.
Si Ayel yung unang...
Kala ko, wala akong pakalam kay Ayel dyan. Bahala siya. Wala akong aasahan kay Ayel.
Curator.
Ako?
Yung nag-curate.
Bibidyo ka ni Ayel?
Na-curate ka ba ni Ayel?
Baka kapag maka-offend sa kanya, I'm sorry, you don't need to shoot me.
Na-rate lang.
Tama.
Ayel is one of the first.
I think Ayel can be considered
He
as
is
a
a
dance
dance
curator.
Tsaka he gets it. He gets the culture.
Yeah.
He dances. He gets everything. He gets the DJ side. He
Yeah,
gets,
the music
and at the
side.
same time, he knows kung ano yung like, I can show your best dance or I can show you how you dance naturally with this video. And he
The
does that.
treatment.
And with JB, move Manila. Events, classes, videos, events,
Dance classes.
dance classes,
Videos. Events.
dance
Classes.
classes,
Or yung
videos.
lililipad namin the people who will
Yeah.
teach. Yung mga-
For the events, dance classes,
Videos.
DJ.
Like, to add
For
on
the
dun sa,
culture.
like,
Uy,
yung
sa
mga-
taas AI. Sa taas AI.
Wow.
Okay, and to end this episode, we will have our AI to summarize the whole
Hologram.
thing.
Hologram
Yo,
lang
yo,
to.
yo.
Hologram.
Yeah. Gemini.
Sagittarius.
Isasama rin. Hindi. Google ano yun.
Oo nga. Google Gemini. Hindi, meron ako.
Zodiac sign.
Meron
Jackson
ako,
ka.
alam kaya. Meron din yan dito. Sagittarius. Yun yung tawag natin sa kanya. Sagittarius.
Sige na nga, yung joke mo kasi bigla din ako sa sarang magaling.
It's giving The Bachelor.
Tama.
I'm an
Oo.
astrophysicist. Nice. I'm a Sagittarius. Anyway, sorry, go.
Like, sabi ko sinabi ni Christian, parang it goes back to like your intention why you're doing it. Kasi ako like I've met so many people na
Right.
gusto mag-curate, ganyan. May pera na to actually like mount yung
Right.
Pero dahil nga sa intentions nila, like hindi siya, like nag-fly siya for like a few years, pero hindi siya sustainable. So I think it really goes back to like your intentions on why you're doing it. Kasi ako personally, like the reason why I started videoing people way back then, kasi I was a fan, like I'm a genuine fan. Like even up until now, like as in lahat ng mga binibidyohan ko, like fan talaga ako. So it started for my own consumption, kasi hindi ko siya nakikita online. So ako na mag-video. Tapos parang, kasi yun yung intention ko. Even like sa music, dahil gusto ko talaga yung music, kaya ako nag-start mag-DJ kasi like pero kasi kung may encounter ka ng mga tao na yun, gusto mag-curate, pero for like weird intentions, hindi siya sustainable.
Correct.
Ganda.
Boom.
Ganda na episode na to.
Grabe, no? Parang almost
Best so far.
human-like.
May feelings.
Oo eh.
Paano nangyari yun?
Tapos may actions.
Please summarize. May accent.
With
Grabe.
that being
Ang
said,
galing.
maraming salamat, James,
so much.
Christian, maraming salamat.
NIL, RAI.
AI.
DJ
Cash
AI
Coffee,
yan.
Cash Coffee, maraming salamat.
Shoutouts. Very informative
Shoutout kay
session.
Jill for our new mics. Maraming
Boom.
salamat. Kay Titus, maraming
Titus
salamat.
behind the camera.
And sa Cadsters natin.
Yeah.
Dami 50. Grabe. Crazy.
That's it. Maraming salamat. See you on our next episode dito lang
Yes.
sa How Deep Can You Get?
Balls deep!
Yeah.
Ano ba ba?
How deep can we get? Balls deep.